Yo, what is up? Welcome back. You know what it is. Thunder RC. Got my Kraton 8S here. It's had a few changes. M2C Beefcake. Check it out. This body I've had for almost a whole year. And it's had this Dark Side Studios wrap on there. And it's still in good shape. For me, this body's in great shape. Now, I've had to shoe goo the back here. But wow, you know, Kraton bodies last a long time. And I really like this wrap. Look at the motor I've got in here. So I have the 800 kV and I have some WFO gears on this bad boy. Big shout out to WFO Racing for sending me this spur gear. Really cool to test out. So I have some different sizes and I just need a bigger pinion gear to fit the other sizes. So some of y'all are probably saying, dude, your motor mount slide is backwards. And there's a reason for that, okay? When I first put in the 800 kV motor, I realized that it was actually pushing into the chassis. It was not allowing the motor mount to sit flush on the chassis there. And I don't know why, but I think it's because I'm used to the 1100 kV, and the 800 kV is considerably thicker. From what I can see, this motor is, look at the difference in size there. That motor is massive, okay? So I flipped it over and it fit perfectly. So you can see that I have the M2C Racing beef going on in here. These are awesome. These rod ends are just amazing. I highly recommend them, especially for this spot. I've busted so many plastic ones right here. This is the crucial spot. And I have more of those. I just haven't put them on. I've been lazy about it. But this is the most crucial area in my opinion. And really holds the chassis together nicely. You can see you've got these huge stiffener bars. Big props to Mitch and Avery for this design. Just flawless. 10 times better than the stock chassis. I can't tell you how many stock chassis that I've bent and rebent back. And that just gets old. So, big props to M2C Racing for that. You can see the work that they do is just absolutely beautiful. All right, so got her back here at the house, and the truck held up amazing. M2C chassis is perfectly straight. Gears are still in good shape, so big shout out to WFO. You made some great stuff. My 1.5 is awesome. I highly recommend these gears. They're almost bulletproof. Nothing else to say, guys. I'm just gonna clean her up. Let me show you the bottom of the chassis. So it did get a little scratched up, but you know, that's what's gonna happen when you go to gravel pits. But it's still perfect. It's taken everything I've thrown at it with an 800 kV in it. So I highly recommend it, guys. It's definitely worth the investment. This Kraton is now a complete beast. Smash the bell, hit the like button. We'll see you next time.